In Feng Shui, the refrigerator ng bahay represents the wealth storage ng house. Kaya naman, meron itong significant role when it comes to your wealth flow. If sa tingin nyo ay medyo mahina ang pasok ng pera, baka dahil nasa maling pwesto ng ref mo sa bahay. Una, the ref should not be facing the door ng kitchen or main door since this leads to instability in your wealth. Pangalawa, hindi rin dapat ito nakatapat sa stove since magkakaroon ng direct element clash. Pangatlo, you can place the ref facing the sink since no element clash. Pang-apat, place the refrigerator not facing the door ng kitchen, CR door, back door, and especially the main door. Pang-lima, kung may ref sa kwarto, avoid facing it sa bedroom door at sa kama. Pang-anim, if may ref sa tindahan, avoid facing it directly sa entrance ng tindahan ninyo. Sana ay may natutunan kayong bago mula sa amin. Master Michael here, simplifying Feng Shui for everyone.